Welcome to Conicelli Hyundai. We ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts straight from our dealership to your door. Meet the 2022 to 2023 Hyundai Tucson Limited front and rear carpeted floor mat set, a custom-fit interior upgrade that shields your Tucson's footwells from dirt, moisture, and everyday wear. These mats fit the 2022 and 2023 Hyundai Tucson, tailored for popular trims like the Limited, SEL, and SE. Front and rear carpeted mats cut precisely to your 2022-2023 Tucson Limited's footwell contours, trapping mud, salt, and spills before they grind into the factory carpet beneath. That protection matters because a stained or worn original carpet is expensive to replace and drags down resale value. Genuine Hyundai mats are color-matched to your Limited's interior and use the correct retention hooks, so they lock to the anchors and won't slide under your pedals like generic universal mats. Shop our full catalog of Hyundai parts, all genuine OEM, backed by factory warranty, a guaranteed fitment match, and fast shipping to your door. Not sure if this part fits? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the exact right part for your vehicle. You'll find your VIN on the dashboard, the driver's door jamb, or your registration card, 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Conicelli Hyundai, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.